Hello viewers, welcome to the Nifty and BankNifty daily post-market technical analysis. So what a day it has been for traders today. Everyone has been expecting some consolidation or a bounce up in Nifty. Most of the bulls should be expecting after yesterday's inverted hammer here. But Nifty made yet another bearish move. The bears still have the market in their grip. So this was the inverted hammer yesterday, which indicated some kind of support for Nifty from the lows, because see, from 17,300 there has been a long wick and a short body, but today Nifty opened lower than that and closed almost near the wicks but slightly above. So the bearish momentum in the market is still going. We don't have a reversal yet. And if you look at Nifty from a monthly perspective, so okay, this is even more interesting and convincing. So this is Jan candle, which kind of closed and engulfed December candle coming from. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a December candle, which is coming from the all-time highs and closed lower than the November candle. But there was some supporting action playing out for Jan candle here. Similarly for December. Similarly for January candle also, there was a supportive shadow or wick for the candle, which was indicating that Nifty had support then. But coming to February, we have a resistance candle and almost uh, negligible support wick. So this is indicating the what we call a very deep rooted negative sentiment, bearishness in the market. So right now Nifty is positioned in such a way that whatever uptick you get, I mean, if it is a decent uptick of like 200, 300 points, without any kind of hesitation, you should either take profits if you have long positions, or you should initiate short positions, because as of now we have 3 consecutive months which are of decent sized down moves, and Nifty is definitely looking for further let us say, I think at least another from 17,300 to approximately this. I think this should break either in March or April, depending. If March candle happens to be a small one, at least in April this will go away. So we have at least another 700 point down move. I mean, there can be on a daily level there can be small bounces or consolidations, but I am talking about the monthly time scale. So coming back to the daily time scale, if you look at the intraday price action today, let us drill down to 1 hour level. Okay, so this is interesting. So this was the first candle after open, which tried to go up, but the resistance from 17,440 was strong enough to push it down. This resistance corresponds to this consolidation area, and after that also there was one more attempt that got pushed out, but Nifty enjoyed support from 17,350 levels, 17,350, 340 level, and that support got broken after 115, and Nifty made a new low, but that new low we have a kind of small bullish candle, but again, because that is towards the last hour of the day, we cannot consider we cannot attach too much of significance for it. So overall the bullish the bearish downtrend is still intact, and Nifty is, unless we have a strong reversal or a sideways trend going this way, or maybe going up slightly, Unless something like that happens, the trend is still down and it is still intact. So the conclusion for Nifty is that if you get an uptick, any kind of uptick about 1 or 150 points, take a shot and see if Nifty is going down, then hold the position with the trailing stop loss. But the only thing, the cheerful point for bulls at this moment is that the intraday prices are kind of oversold, and their daily time scale is also slightly oversold. So everyone is expecting some kind of bounce or consolidation, which may happen in the next 2 days or maybe later. And looking at Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty kind of made a doji today, and the previous four candles were also around the same level, which is indicating some consolidation happening in Bank Nifty. We don't know how much longer this consolidation will happen, but eventually after that, Bank Nifty is also looking bearish. If you look at the monthly candle, so the past three candles have been closing lower and lower. So Bank Nifty is getting support from the same level as in January. So yeah, eventually in March this level will be broken sometime, and maybe after this consolidation is broken down. So at this point you can accumulate short positions in Bank Nifty, but do take proper strategical positions so that so volatility will not affect your positions much, because we don't know when it will break down the consolidation, but it the higher probability is that it will break down. And we'll take another look at Nifty from using the moving averages, and let us see what they're telling us. So in one of the earlier daily analysis sessions also I mentioned this 50 DMA is inverting, and it has crossed below 100 DMA. So the yesterday's inverted hammer closed above 200 DMA, but now today we have another candle which opened below 200 DMA, when tried to go above, eventually closed lower. So this is also indicating bearishness in Nifty. So don't be surprised if there is even a gap down or something like that, given the kind of bearishness we are seeing here. But one thing is very clear, that this particular the sequence of past 9 bearish candles is very steep down. So there is some kind of consolidation or short reversal going to happen. We don't know when it is going to happen. So the conclusion for both Nifty and Bank Nifty is that for Bank Nifty, if you can take strategic positions, you can short now and probably wait for the consolidation to break down. But ideally, you better wait for the consolidation range to break down and then initiate short positions. For Nifty, the trend is down and the bearish sentiment in the market is strong. So if you but only thing going against it is the oversold smaller time levels. So there can happen to be a consolidation, but we don't know when it is going to come. So if you are taking short positions in Nifty, take strategic short positions with proper hedging. And if you are taking long positions, wait for a reversal or a for Nifty to test a good support, and then take long positions, and then you can hold for probably few days, because given the overall bearishness in Nifty, there wouldn't be too much of long up move. So if you get a good decent profit in your long position, you should take the profit, and at a resistance level or somewhere you can initiate short positions. So from tomorrow onwards it will be a March calendar. So let us see how Nifty is going to be going to move in the next month. With that, I conclude this analysis session, and I hope everyone will have good trading days ahead. So manage your risk well. And if you like this analysis, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.